Have you ever woken up feeling like your stomach is weighing you down? Like something inside just isn't moving the way it should? Maybe your jeans feel tighter, even though your diet hasn't changed. Or maybe you've tried ditching carbs, drinking more water, getting your steps in, but that stubborn belly won't budge. If you're over 60, here's some encouraging news: you're definitely not alone. And more importantly, this doesn't have to be your reality. Picture this: just one simple glass in the morning, made with 5 all-natural ingredients, could help reduce bloating, improve digestion, and gently flatten your belly. No tricks. No expensive powders. No complicated plans. Just a soothing daily habit that your body has likely been waiting for, but no one ever mentioned. Stick with me for a few minutes, and I'll show you exactly what goes into this morning drink, why it works so well, and how you can make it yourself at home. But first, tell me where you're watching from. Pop it in the comments. I absolutely love seeing how far these wellness habits are spreading. And don't forget to subscribe to the Health Loop so you never miss a single tip on staying vibrant, light, and strong through your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Let's dive in and take a closer look at the 5 ingredients behind this transformative morning drink. You might be surprised how simple and accessible they really are. We'll begin with something so basic you might overlook it: warm water. Not too hot. Not cold. Just a cozy, soothing temperature, like the kind you'd sip from a mug on a quiet morning. It may seem too gentle to matter, but that's the magic of it. As we get older, digestion naturally slows. Meals move more slowly through the system, and bloating becomes more common, even if you haven't eaten much. Warm water relaxes the digestive muscles, reduces internal tension, and widens blood vessels to improve both circulation and digestive flow. First thing in the morning, when your system is still waking up, a glass of warm water signals your body to start the day. It jumpstarts digestive enzyme production, helps process food and nutrients, and encourages healthy elimination. It's like flipping a switch in your digestive tract. Plus, warm water creates a gentle feeling of fullness, just enough to curb unnecessary snacking. I remember chatting with Mary, a 67-year-old woman who used to feel tight and uncomfortable in the mornings. After just 10 days of starting her day with warm water, she said her belly felt noticeably softer, inside and out. Her digestion improved, her pants fit better, and she simply felt lighter. Now, imagine adding something to that warm water that ignites your metabolism and helps break down fat. That's where our next ingredient comes in: raw apple cider vinegar. We're not talking about the clear, filtered kind. You want the cloudy vinegar with the mother, those beneficial enzymes and bacteria that make it truly powerful. Apple cider vinegar has been trusted for generations for good reason. It helps the body metabolize fat, stabilize blood sugar, and gently detox. Used before meals, especially in the morning, it slows sugar absorption into your bloodstream. That helps regulate insulin, avoids energy crashes, and reduces the chances of storing excess sugar as belly fat. If you've struggled with weight gain around your midsection, this could make a real difference. I spoke with Harold, 72, who had carried stubborn belly weight for years. After 10 days of adding raw vinegar to his morning drink, he felt lighter, physically and mentally. His cravings dropped. His digestion improved. And yes, he had to tighten his belt one notch. Apple cider vinegar also boosts stomach acid, which helps you break down food more completely. It reduces bloating, supports healthy cholesterol levels, and has antimicrobial properties that help your gut stay balanced. When mixed with warm water, it becomes a powerful combo: hydrating, fat-burning, and deeply restorative. Now let's bring in something familiar, but incredibly effective: lemon juice. Yes, it's refreshing, but it also kickstarts digestion and detox. Despite being acidic, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect in the body. It helps reduce inflammation and supports your liver, the organ responsible for metabolizing fat. Feeling sluggish or bloated in the morning? That's often your digestive system asking for a push. A little lemon juice helps everything start moving again. Doris, a 65-year-old retiree I spoke with, said she used to feel toxic when she woke up. But after adding lemon juice to her morning drink for just 10 days, she noticed better digestion, increased energy, and even a lighter mood. Lemon is also high in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. If joint inflammation or immune issues have been bothering you, lemon's antioxidants offer a natural solution. Plus, it helps manage sugar cravings by stabilizing blood sugar, a key step toward healthy weight control. Now, let's spice things up with something you may already have in your kitchen: ginger. This little root is a powerhouse when it comes to digestion and reducing inflammation. Fresh ginger added to your morning drink helps food move smoothly through your digestive system, reducing bloating and discomfort. It's also a natural remedy for nausea, whether from motion sickness or heavy meals. But the real magic lies in ginger's active compounds, called gingerols, which fight inflammation in the gut and throughout the body. Joint stiffness? Aching muscles? Ginger quietly works to ease those, too. Benice, a 70-year-old woman I spoke with, had been avoiding social events due to chronic bloating. After adding ginger slices to her morning drink, she felt the pressure disappear. Her clothes fit better, and she joked, "I'm not scared of dinner parties anymore." Ginger also boosts circulation and gently revs up your metabolism, just enough to keep things flowing without feeling jittery. Our final ingredient brings it all together: cinnamon. Yes, the same spice you sprinkle on oatmeal, but used here with intention. Cinnamon helps your body manage blood sugar more efficiently. As we age, our insulin sensitivity drops. That means more sugar stays in the blood, eventually becoming fat, often around the belly. Cinnamon helps reverse that trend by increasing insulin sensitivity and reducing sugar cravings. It also soothes digestion and fights off bad gut bacteria. Thomas, a 74-year-old man, once thought cinnamon was only for desserts. But after adding it to his morning drink for 10 days, he said his sweet tooth vanished. "It's the weirdest thing," he said. "I don't go looking for snacks anymore." Plus, cinnamon adds emotional comfort. The warmth, the aroma, it helps you feel grounded and calm. That can reduce emotional eating and promote overall wellness. So let's put it all together into one simple glass of goodness. It only takes a few minutes each morning. Start with 1 to 2 cups of warm water, not too hot. Squeeze in 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother, and stir gently. Next, slice a few pieces of fresh ginger, or grate about half a teaspoon. Let it steep for a few minutes. Finally, sprinkle in about 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. That's it. Your healing morning drink is ready. Sip it slowly on an empty stomach, or split it into 2 servings, morning and afternoon. Just don't rush. Let it work its magic gradually. If you're new to these ingredients, don't overdo it. Stick to the basic amounts. And if you take medication or have digestive conditions, it's totally fine to check with your doctor first. You might be wondering how often to drink this. It's not meant to be forever. Think of it as a 10-day wellness reset. Drink it daily for 10 days, then take a 3-day break. Give your body time to absorb the benefits without overload. One last tip: lemon and vinegar are acidic. So rinse your mouth with water afterward, or use a straw to protect your teeth. Most people feel results within the first week: lighter belly, better digestion, more energy, and fewer cravings. No pills. No gimmicks. Just natural balance returning to your system. And that's the key. You're not forcing your body, you're supporting it. Gently. Consistently. With love. So here's your invitation. 1 glass. 5 ingredients. 10 days. That's all it takes to start feeling lighter, clearer, and more balanced. Try it for yourself. See what shifts. Then come back and let me know in the comments what changed for you. Even the smallest wins are worth celebrating. And if you know someone who's struggling with low energy or belly discomfort, share this video. It might be just what they need. Subscribe to the Health Loop for more natural wellness tips, one morning at a time. You've got this. Your body is ready. Let's begin.